Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to be making this. This is chicken tofu stir fry. It's delicious. It's really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you can see that we've got our tofu cooked and ready there. And I've got chicken here, chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into strips, roughly about the same amount. There's about just over 2 cups of each there. 1 cup of onion. Then we've got fresh ginger and fresh garlic there. I've cut the ginger in those little kind of sticks like that, chopped the garlic. I've probably got about a tablespoon of garlic and maybe 2 tablespoons of ginger. You can adjust that as much as you want. And then 2 tablespoons soy and oyster sauce. Now the soy I'm using is a light soy. A couple of other bits are going in here, but let's get moving. So in my pan there, I've got some oil, about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. The heat is on and the heat is on high. Let's start off by dropping in our ginger and our garlic. That 1 cup of onion. And our chicken breast. To that I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not too much. Black pepper. High heat, 4 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, that's looking fabulous. Been stirring away, stirring away. Let's now get our cooked tofu in the mix. Let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Again, pretty much stirring all of the time. We're really nearly done. This is so simple and so easy and so delicious. Now we're going to add in that couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using light. A couple of tablespoons of oyster sauce. And a little splash of water. 60 to 90 seconds. Keep it moving. Job done. Here we go. Off goes the heat. Little bit of green onion. I put mine in quite sort of chunky. Little stir. Ready to serve. Job done and absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel. All that good stuff. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.